Hey guys, it's Brandon with BMC Review, back with another video. Today we got some Yeezys from Dhgate, and these are from a new seller I have not worked with yet, so I have no idea the quality of these ones. I ordered 3 pairs total from this seller. He said that 2 pair are in one box and then 1 pair is in another. So you got a box. Inside box, the Yeezy tissue paper, a sales manager for where I ordered this, StockX sheet and sticker, socks, StockX tag, keychain, and then here we have another box. Some more tissue paper, StockX tags. So I can see right now we have the black reflective, and we have the tail light. And these don't have a chemical smell or anything, they smell like real shoes. They don't have like a super gluey smell or anything like that. So just starting off here with the tail light, you can see it's got the gray knit and the orange stripe in back, see through the bottom. Boost is super squishy, and based on first impressions, it is real boost. And then there's a boost ball inside the shoe. But it has the label on the inside and everything. And then with these, it also has a boost ball. Then there's also the paper tissue and the tip of the shoe. Everything's looking pretty good. I'll get some close-up pics and some better videos. Alright, so here we are with all 3 pair. We got the Desert Sage, the Aesthetic Black Reflective, and the tail light. And taking a look at each shoe, one of the biggest differences I'm noticing between the fakes and the reals is some of the fakes have the toe box right, where it angles up a lot more. Here, it's kind of just like a flat shoe, where you can see on the black ones it points up. And then on the backs, you can see on the black one how it angles back, and on here they point straight up. They should be angled back. But all 3 pairs do have real boost. All 3 pairs did come with the same thing inside the box, the tissue paper. a fake receipt with spelling errors, so this isn't gonna fool anyone. And the price isn't even right. It says they're $350 and they're $320 they're $220 when they launch. The StockX sheet, StockX tag and sticker, and the tags from the shoe. A boost ball, and a keychain. Now, one thing I have noticed about the real Boost on these is it is a little softer and more rubbery feeling than the real. The real has more of like a foam texture, but to be honest, I actually like the comfort of this fake Boost better. It feels softer and just more comfy over time. Now, looking at the tail light, it also does not have the toe right. You can see how it's just straight and not angled up at all. And same with the backs, how they're not angled back. But other than that, like, that's the only flaws I've seen with them. They all seem like they're really well made. And for $70, I haven't found a better quality replica. So I'll link it at my website. Stay tuned for on-foot pics. Okay, so here's the giveaway this week. We have the AirPods Pro cologne with active noise canceling again, because the winner from 2 weeks ago did not claim his prize. So, we're just going to re-give them away. So to enter, all you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe. And in the comment, go ahead and put your name, and I'll select a winner next week on Sunday at 12 p.m.